Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the roof cylinder blueprint in Subnautica 2. If you want more decorative pieces to make your base look less plain, you can unlock the roof cylinder blueprint to add a bit more style to your builds. Before heading out, make sure you already have the heat adaptation. Start from your life pod and face a heading of 105 degrees on your compass. Swim straight while staying close to the seafloor, since the location we're heading to is near the bottom. Once you reach the hotter biome, dive a little deeper and keep looking down until you spot these strange synthetic structures. Continue swimming straight until you find 4 large holes in the seafloor. Position yourself above them, then face northwest and swim toward the nearby rock wall until you find a cave entrance. Head inside the cave and you'll find a tall, mushroom-like aquatic plant. Behind it is the roof cylinder data card, glowing and emitting a distinct sound. Simply interact with it to unlock the blueprint. After learning the recipe, return to your base and you can now build roof cylinders to give your base a more decorative look. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.